Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use the prospecting tool in HighLevel to find lead information. In this video, I'm going to show you the new key features in the prospecting tool. Now we have access to a lot more information about our leads, such as their role, their expertise, their social media profiles, their contact details, and their location. This comes in really handy if you're doing cold outreach, for example, and you're deciding where to find that person, how to engage with that person. So if that person is really active on LinkedIn and not so much on X, for example, then it's a really good idea to reach out to them on LinkedIn. So you want to hover over to your prospecting tool, and then you select the prospecting question. And then here you can see a new tab, Point of Contacts. Click on that. And here you can see all the people that are working for this company. Here you can see Giovanni. He is the product manager, and these are his skills and expertise. This is his Facebook profile, and this is his LinkedIn contact. So if you just click on it, it opens up in a new tab, and it brings you immediately to the prospect's profiles. Furthermore, we can see that he's located in Colombia. That this is his contact email address within the company, and that's his phone number. Having access to this information also helps you to find key decision makers a lot faster. I hope you enjoy the new features, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use the prospecting tool in HighLevel to find lead information. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.